This video is already 6 months old, but I didn't have much time to edit it. So let's enjoy a summer video in the end of the winter. Let me stop it here. Can you put there some sad music to the background? Sure. Here's something. I mean, something less like a crime scene and more like something when something's going through your head. Okay, let me think. What about this one? Oh, I love it. Keep this one. I love flying, but this flight was the worst I have ever experienced. I felt so dizzy. My head was about to explode and I had a terrible headache and my ears hurt like hell. But then it got better, so I decided to eat some snacks and listen to Imagine Dragons. And this is our hotel room. That's our jacuzzi with nice sea view. That's our mirror. And this all is bedroom. My bed, my sister's bed, and my parents' bed. The room service here is really nice. Look how they prepared our bed. Isn't that nice? But the problem is that this isn't my bed. That's my bed. It's okay, but look, that's something different.
2 hours later.
Whoa, there's so much people. Just look at it. Crazy. Let's go there.
you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you.
I have soup in my eyes. That was fun.
For you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat.
I have just lost screw from my sunglasses. Oh, that's not good. There's no way I can find that screw here. There's too much sand. One thing about Turkish people is really interesting for me. If you ask them to do something and they say it will be done in 5 minutes, that means it will be done in 15 minutes. If they say today, it means tomorrow. And if they say tomorrow, it means never or in the far future. For example, look at this thing. When we came, we asked them when will they repair this thing. And they said, tomorrow. It's been already 5 days and it is still not repaired. But except that thing there, everything is great. Look, the weather is perfect, like no clouds, maybe one there. It's beautiful. And also the pool looks nice. Did I mention that we have jacuzzi? Not a proper jacuzzi, but it's nice to have something like that. I will show you. Okay, that's it. Just to show you, this is the view from jacuzzi. Nice, isn't it? After taking a jacuzzi, we decided to make the most of our last day of holiday. So we decided to go parasailing.
You and me, everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It shows the way. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. Like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love. The smoke in the
Early the next morning.
It's 7 a.m. and the wind blew away our clothes. And I need to find it now. Okay, I see something. But that's not ours, okay. That's also not ours. Oh, that's my mom's. That's my father's. No, this isn't ours. That's also not ours. This also isn't ours. Nope. Now I need to find my second sock. Yep, I didn't find the sock. Yeah, I would say this was pretty successful holiday. I lost one sock. I broke my tripod, this one, while taking photos on the highway. Yeah, and I also lost screw from my sunglasses. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, and I will see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you guys next time.